Hey guys, this is AC Lockyer, and I got Mr. Ron Purser here with ASI SoftWash. That's a wholly owned company of American Service Industries, right?
Yep.
That's very, very cool. And you're out of Macon, Georgia?
Macon, Georgia.
Macon, Georgia. And he's one of our newest guys here joining the SoftWash revolution there in Macon, Georgia. Going to be taking care of you. And hey, Ron, this is a huge truck. This is a brand spanking new F-250 crew cab, long bed. What's y'all's area code there in Macon, Georgia?
478.
478. So the area code is 478, and the 47 is just all of this truck. Okay? This is a big, huge truck here. 4x4, nice and tall. Cool thing I like about these Ford trucks is they're all aluminum. Okay? So they're not going to corrode, they're not going to rust. They're very, very stable and sturdy. They're great trucks, great for the soft washing industry. You're going to be getting a wrap on this before too long, right?
Next week.
Next week. That's going to be so cool. So you're going to send us lots of pictures, right?
Oh, yes.
Lots of pictures. Great. But Ron, this is a beautiful truck. I'm going to do a walk around here, show everybody what we built for you. But just thank you so much for trusting us with this build here and helping you get into the soft washing business.
Thank you.
Cool. All right. So, big truck. Holy smokes. I pulled up and looked at this thing. I was like, wow. Talk about truck envy. Beautiful truck. So Ron's got a lot of storage space on here. Here in this extra cab, he's got a lot of lockable dry storage here in the cab. But he also has right here between the system, because this is an 8-foot bed, enough room to go ahead and put a nice diamond plate toolbox back here. So lots of storage, great truck. And this is on our extra large format skid. This is our 72-inch US inches skid. We call it our extra large skid. We have a small, a medium, a large, and an extra large. And the extra large holds 4 modules. And here on the curb side of the truck, Ron has put on here 2 electric Titan hose reels. These are our 18-inch hose reels. He's got them on the curb side so he can pull right up curbside on a building, and he can go ahead and pull off here. This is the actual rinsing hose, 5/8 hose with our rinsing gun hooked up to our bulk rinse module, electric Titan hose reel, all stainless steel and aluminum. Then he's got the application hose reel on this side for the soft washing solution. Again, 18-inch Titan electric hose reel, aluminum and stainless steel. So he can go ahead and go right to work, right off the curb side of the truck. Then he has up here, we've positioned in the B and the C position, in the 2 middle positions here, his blend module, so he can easily reach it here between the hose reels, and his bulk rinse module right here next to it. Okay, so nice access between the hose reels, curbside for making all of his adjustments and turning on or off or adjusting those 2 pieces of equipment. Now, it is a blend 100 module, which means it has a 100-gallon bleach capacity, and it is a rinse 100 module, which means it has a 100-gallon water capacity. So he has the ability to carry 100 gallons of raw water and 100 gallons of bleach for making his soft washing solutions and rinsing the buildings when he's done. Now if we come around here to the back of the truck, Ron not only has the ability to soft wash off of this machine, but he has also put on here a beautiful Honda GX390. This is actually a belt drive system with his general pump on here, and this is a 4,000 PSI, 4 gallon a minute belt drive system. Belt drives are just a little better than direct drives because the pumps seem to hold up a little bit longer. Direct drives take up a little less room, so they're nice if you've got a compact area, you got to put a system in. But we've got a lot of room here on the back of the soft wash system, so he's able to do a belt drive. This system not only draws from the water buffer tank that's on this skid, but he also has a choice valve here to where he can hook up directly to a water source on a building or a tanker truck on site. So he has a separate hookup here. Then up underneath here, I love green, so I love my interstate batteries. Green's my favorite color. We have got 4 Group 24 deep cycle marine batteries back here to power this whole system. So he has lots of capacity, lots of longevity. He will never want for power when he turns on this system or hits that gun. And then powering or charging this system, is our stealth charging system. We have our AC charger here, which is your plug in the wall, shore power charger. It's what you plug in the wall at a building. And we have the DC charging system here, which is the one that recaptures the kinetic energy that your engine on your truck makes anyway to charge these batteries. So both AC and DC charging system back here. And right next to the pressure washer, we have the hose reel, a 12-inch Titan electric hose reel here with this 3/8 pressure washing hose and valve, all set up here at the back end to do business here on the power washing side. Up top here, we have the flat surface cleaner rack where Ron can store his flat surface cleaner for cleaning flat surfaces like concrete driveways, sidewalks, paver stones, things like that. Then as we come back around over here to this side of the truck, Ron has put in 4 saddle tanks. We've got saddle tanks in the A, B, C, and D positions. And this is our typical setup. We have our green wash saddle tank here so that the blend module can pull in green wash. We have our house wash Trinity, which is a cocktail between our green wash, our Terra wash, and our Rain Fresh. We have a final wash tank here for waxing the houses and neutralizing the system at the end of the day. And then we have our plant wash tank, saddle tank here, which is a metering saddle tank with a Gordon Fisher metering valve right here that runs up to our bulk rinse pump so that we can apply our plant wash in bulk to our plants. It's all nice and compact here. And then cool little thing here, if you look at every tank, we've got right here in every single tank, we have LED lighting systems, so if there's low light conditions and Ron can't see what the level is of his tanks, he can turn on his LED lights and it'll illuminate the tanks so he can easily see the readings on those tanks. And it's actually blue, red, white, and blue. So he's done all of his tanks, and hey, 4th of July is next week, red, white, and blue. That's very, very cool. So very, very clean system here, tight, well put together. This is very similar to our Enterprise package. This is kind of the cat's meow that we have here. Beautiful system. If you're interested in going into the soft washing business or need help putting together a great system like the one we did here for Ron Purser at ASI Softwash, give us a call at SoftWash Systems. You can find our information right here below me on the screen. Give us a call so we can make your soft washing dreams come true. I'm AC Locke here with SoftWash Systems. Hey, go forth and prosper.